Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. So students, you all have performed very well in your semester 1. Welcome back to your semester 2. So let us see from which chapter are we going to start in our semester 2. It is a very easy chapter and it is chapter 13 in your subject Social Studies. Chapter 13 are human resources. You all have studied in Sem 1 about natural resources, water resources. Now let us study about human resources. So come on children, open your textbook and mark the important points with me. In your SST textbook, page number 82, chapter 13 are human resources. Let us start. We have read about natural resources, but do you know that human beings are the most important resource? We have studied about natural resources, but human beings, we human beings are the most important resource. Why? This is because natural resources need to be converted into useful things. Now if you have wood in your hand, but is it useful? Wood is natural resource, but is it useful until and unless you convert into a furniture? If you have cotton plant, but until and unless you convert into cotton cloth, it is not useful. So natural resources are important, but human resources are more important to convert natural resource into some useful thing. And why human beings are important? Because they use their education, research, technology to make natural resource a useful thing. See, it is only through human skills and education that we can find, extract and then put different natural resources into use. अगर हम education, knowledge सब use करते हैं, only then the natural resources are converted with the help of machines or human skills to a useful source, right? Since independence, significant progress has been made in India. After independence, that means from the time of independence, India में progress हो रहा है. Where? In the field of agriculture and industry, right? If we compare the time before independence and now, India have made progress in the field of agriculture and industry. Similarly, educational facilities have been provided and also there have been much changes in the educational facilities to make the people of the country literate. First there were many illiterate people, but now with the help of educational facilities, the number of illiterate people have reduced. Researches by scientists and development in all spheres of life have improved the standard of living. Okay, researches, when researchers do research, who do research? Scientists. When scientists do research in different spheres of life, what has happened? Our standard of living has improved, okay, because of the latest technology. Still, a lot more needs are to be done, but still many more changes are to be done because half the population is still deprived of even the most basic needs. Because अभी भी ऐसी बहुत areas में ऐसी population है who do not even get the basic needs. Basic needs means उनको food नहीं मिलता proper, clothing, shelter. Food, clothing and shelter also many areas people are still deprived of. The biggest reason of poverty is our huge population. Underline, very important. In India there is poverty. Why? Because of the huge population, the increasing population day by day, we have resources in limited quantity, but people to use all these resources are in huge quantity, right? The population of India is more than 100 crore. The population of India is more than 100 crore. Can you imagine? Underline this point. The distribution of population is also uneven. It is not that सारी जगहों में same population है. It is uneven. Some areas are thickly populated. मतलब कुछ areas में population बहुत ज़्यादा है. While in some areas it is, see, some areas are thickly populated while others are thinly populated. In some areas population is not there. The average density of population in India is 324 people per square kilometer. This is the average of India. Average population, average density of population in India is 324 people per square kilometer. See, these states, more than half of our total population lives in 5 states. In India, the population, more than half of the population, means आधे से ज़्यादा लोग. Where do the more than half of our population live? In 5 states. Underline. Which are those 5 states? Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are the 5 states where more than half of the population lives. Okay. And underline, very important, which state has the highest population? Uttar Pradesh has the highest population and Sikkim has the lowest population. Okay children, I hope this much is clear for you. So for the revision of this topic, I will show you a short video. So children, see the video carefully about our new chapter number 13, our human resources. As we have earlier studied about natural resources which are very important, but human resources are most important. Why? Because humans use their skill, their information technology, right, to make the natural resources into a useful source which we can use. See children, these are all the examples of human resources. Why human beings are the most important resource? Because humans use their skill, labor, education to make the natural resources into a useful. See, wood is transformed into benches. Then we studied India has made significant progress in the field of agriculture and industry, right? Then we studied about, see, educational facilities have been provided to make the people of the country. Education facilities have been provided to make the people of the country literate, right? Because we have to reduce the illiteracy rate. Then we studied about the latest technologies. Now India has developed so much. We can see metro trains which we have not seen earlier, but see, there are still so many people in our country who are deprived of basic needs like food, clothing, shelter. There are many people who still do not get such facilities. They cannot use such facilities. Why? Because in India, the biggest reason of poverty is our increasing population, the huge population, right? See, the population is increasing day by day and some areas are thickly populated while some areas are thinly populated. These areas are thickly populated, जहाँ पे आपको रोड पे खाली जगह भी नहीं दिखती because there are so many vehicles, right? And in 5 states, more than half of the population lives. Which are those 5 states? I told you to underline. See, This is green portion is Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. And see, Uttar Pradesh has the highest population while Sikkim has the lowest population. Okay children, I hope you have understood this topic. Now I will give you a short worksheet as your homework. So I have given you very short 5 answers as your homework. See, first, which resources are the most important resources? As we have studied, if you have listened carefully, you might be knowing the answer. Second, who have contributed in improving the standard of living of people? Why the standard of living have been improved now? Third, what is the population of India? What is the average density of population of India? Okay, you have to write both the answers. Fourth, which 5 states are mainly occupied by more than half of the total population? Okay. Number 5, which state has the highest population and which state has the lowest population? Okay children, so write these answers. We'll meet in our next video lesson. Till then, take care, keep smiling. God bless you.